Right, hello everyone, this is my unboxing video of my new toy, which is the Eureka Helios 65 coffee grinder. Just bought it yesterday from Bella Barista in the UK. And it's just been delivered literally 2 or 3 minutes ago. Let's see what we've got inside. I've been looking at this on YouTube for some time, and I noticed there was no unboxing videos that I could see. So obviously I wanted to try and create one for people. I saw that we're getting some coffee beans as well, which is obviously 2 packs there, which is quite good. And also a pack of Fails coffee beans, which is it I can use to obviously set the machine up. Right, this is going to be interesting because the box is full of packing foam. I'm going to just pop this on the floor a second. This is very, very well packed. Right, here we go. Just give me a second, I need to pick these bits of foam up. Because I've got 2 inquisitive dogs which will undoubtedly try to eat them. Sorry about that, back again. So here it is, the box of the Eureka Helios, which is a flatbed grinder, 65mm. This is to replace my Barista 217. Which I've had a couple of and have a lot of issues with. Check out my other videos for the issues I've had with them. First thing is the instruction booklet, which we'll read if we need to, but being male, I probably won't read this at all. Here we go. First of all, is the unit itself, which is extremely heavy. Out the way. I went for the black one because I just like the classy black look, and it'll go with my kitchen a little bit more. I need scissors to cut a cable tie. Here we go. So it's quite a large unit, but looks very, very well made. Secondly is looks just like a quick start guide, which we'll have a look at if we need to. And then lastly is the hopper. Now I'm a bit concerned because the space I've got, this hopper is probably a little bit too large, which may mean I have to move a shelving unit. So here's the hopper itself. And I think anyone that knows this machine will know that it comes with a cut-off valve So you can stop the beans and remove the hopper if you need to. I'm hoping it's kind of set up for espresso. Excuse me, I've got a cough. It's not COVID, I've been tested several times. I think it's just a cold I've got. So, that's the machine. Lead, lengthwise, which I've never seen anyone comment on yet. That's the length of your lead, which I'd say was probably 4 foot. Yeah, I'd say 4 foot length. Certainly over a metre. Maybe that's about a metre, maybe 1100 or so. It's a nice little screen protector, which I'll take off. That's what everyone loves to do first, take them off. I'll plug it in under here, and then you can see it light up. Got on-off switch on the side, which is a push button, which is actually quite nice because, as you can see there, but it does light up, if you can see there. Got the torch for little light so you can see what you're putting in. And it's set up on 1 for 7 seconds, it's touchscreen. Number 2 is 14 seconds, number 3 is 21 seconds. I'll probably adjust these because I want 18 to 20 grams coffee, and from what I hear, just under 5 seconds will give you 18 grams. So I'll probably look at about 5 seconds. In fact, I'll adjust this down now. To 5 seconds. So hopefully that has retained. Yep, that's kept it, which is good. Now I quite like the blue. I might keep it as the blue. But that's the unboxing video of the Eureka Helios 65 from Bella Barista. I'll do another video showing it working, but there's plenty of YouTube videos out there already showing it working, so you can Google them or just search on YouTube and see what you come up with. But I will try and show it working, but I need it to fit under my unit first, which I think is a little bit too big. Thank you.